Hey y'all, it's Zach, the legal tech advisor here at Lawyerist. Today I'd like to talk to you about court calendaring rules, specifically the court calendaring rules in Clio Manage. Recently, I sat down with the Clio team and they walked me through some of the enhancements they've had. Have a listen and see what you think.
Other pieces that we were going to walk into today was some of the updates that we've made to our court rule calculation system. So, obviously court rules are critical for firms to be keeping on top of, not just for, malpractice instance or claims or anything there, but also just, missing a court deadline can obviously cause huge damage in client relationships as well, right? So our court rule engine is powered by CalendarRules.com, which has been a long time integration partner of ours, whom we actually acquired near the end of last year. So Calendar Rules, as of right now, offers court rules across 50 states, as well as 1,800 jurisdictions. And we're adding to that as well as we're going through and sort of enhancing the integration that we've had here. Okay. Right. So as far as adding new court rules into the system for calculation, this process is more or less the same as what it's been previously, but we've enhanced the ability to help you with finding which matter it is that we are recording this towards, as well as making it a little bit easier to search specific triggers in here as well. Okay. We've also then added the ability for you to be able to put the specific time that something is going to be happening at, so that when you're coming through in here and it's making that calendar event within your calendar, it's showing it at the specific time and not like an all-day event.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice because, you're going to have 15 things. Personally, I've had court early morning and afternoon based on what county I'm in, and knowing which one of these things is in the different places is very helpful.
For sure. Yeah. So as we're going through here, just as always, it's going to help us with showing all of our local rules and the dates that they would be due on. We can select and deselect any that are required for this particular matter and be able to add that into our calendar directly from here as well, with any reminders that we need leading up to that date. Okay. One of the other enhancements that we've now added to this ability is when we see shifts of when, a court appearance might be, being able to now go in there and change that trigger date and then all of the preceding deals as well. Instead of having to go in and manually update them, we can do that in bulk now. Okay.
Gotcha. So for instance, if I have 4 events that are based on this first event, a particular hearing, a pretrial hearing or something like that, and that gets pushed 2 weeks and everything else gets pushed 2 weeks, I just have to move that one event.
Exactly. Correct. So we'll go in to a specific matter within the calendar, and now we can edit that specific trigger date. And so that's now going to move all of the preceding rules as well. If we decide to, if we decide we don't want to be moving them, it doesn't have to.
Okay.
Okay. So I can update all.
Update all. Okay.
Save changes. And when I go back and actually look at my calendar, it'll have that updated for me as well.